We'll guide you through how to install shaders with Forge mods. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Shaders go and completely change the look of Minecraft. They go and add different lighting, and they go and add shadows and loads of other great things. So we'll guide you through how you can go and get them with Forge mods, because of course mods can go and switch up the game and add new features and mobs, and so adding shaders with them can be a great way to go and switch up the game. So we're going to guide you through how this can be done step by step. Make sure it's this full guide. So what we're going to do is first of all go and close out of Minecraft like so. Just before we get any further, a big shout out to the sponsors of this video, Apex Hosting. If you're in need of a Minecraft server, make sure you go and check out the link in the pinned comment and the description. Right now you can get 25% off your first order. With a Minecraft server, you can start playing with your friends. Apex has got some great features as well. For example, 24/7 servers and support mean you can get help for your always online server when you need it, a free subdomain, unlimited slots so you can play with your friends, automated backups, and much more. So if you're interested, check them out, link down below. But to go and continue with the guide, go and open up a web browser of your choice. So to go and get started, if you haven't already, let's go and get some mods. So a great website you can go and get them from is CurseForge. If you already have mods, do just watch, as I'm going to be giving you important steps throughout the guide. So let's come to Minecraft, and you can then go and start browsing for mods you want. So in this case, I'm going to go and get something called Alex's Mobs or Alex Mobs. This one here. These go and add new mobs. I really like it. So let's go and click on it. Now what we can then do is we can go and read about it. This mod does also need Citadel, which we'll get, don't worry. So what you want to do is go and press Files. Now you want to go and find the game version. I like to go and get the most recent one. So the most recent one we can get is 1.20.1. Now it's important to know, you may already know this, but every other part of the thing we're going to download needs to be for the same version now. So because I'm getting this for 1.20.1, everything else will be. Of course, the game version for you may be different. Now that we know that, press the three dots to the right and you can press download file. Now it's gone and finished, and we can press back because this also needs Citadel. Not every mod will need this, but that's why it's worth checking out the description. So I'll press Citadel, and this needs to be this for the same version, which is 1.20.1. So I can go and see for this version here. So I can press the three dots to the right and press download file like so. Now press back, and now we want to go and get some shaders. So at the top, you can go and press Minecraft like so. Then you can go and press browse all, and you can scroll down and press shaders to the left. Now you can go through here and see all the different packs. So all these are going to look slightly different. I really like complementary shaders, but you can choose a pack you want. We can click on it and press files. Now you just want to make sure that in-game version is going to be supported. So this one should be, it looks like it supports loads of different versions. So you can press the three dots to the right and press download file like so, and then wait for this to automatically start. You've now downloaded what you're going to go and need from CurseForge. Next, what you need to do is go and open up a new tab, and you can go and search for something called Optifine. Optifine is the mod we can go and use to go and run shaders. Keep watching, we're going to guide you through this. So you want to come to optifine.net. Then at the top, you need to go and press downloads. So now what's super important is we go and get this for the same version. As you probably noticed from me, it's 1.20.1. Of course, you may be different. Press show all versions, and we can scroll down and go and find 1.20.1. We can then go and press download like so. Go and wait. This isn't an ad wall. If you see a download button, it's for the ad. It's not for the mod. So go and wait, and you can then press skip in the top right. And then we're brought to the download here, and you can go and press download, and it'll go and download. Go and be patient. Now what you need to do here is just come back, and you need to go and note down here Forge, and that's going to be the version that this is compatible with. So we need to make sure we get that version. So keep watching. So let's go and open up a new tab. Here you can then go and type in Minecraft Forge, and you can come to the Forge site. Now over to the left here, we need to make sure we get it for 1.20.1 again. So we'll expand it and then press 1.20.1. And then what you need to do is come into all versions and press show all versions. And we need to get it for 47.2.18. So you can scroll down here like so until we go and find it. And as you can see, here it is here. So then what you can do is come over to the right, and you can go and press installer like this. Now be patient. You once again be on an ad wall. The download button is for the ad, it's not for the mod. Go and press the skip button in the top right when it's available. As you can see, it's now downloaded. Go and be patient, and there it is. So now you downloaded everything you're going to go and need. So what we can do is we can come out of our web browser here, and what we're going to do is then come onto our desktop. You need to come to the bottom and go and open up your file explorer. I'll come to my downloads. come to downloads, and we can then find what we've downloaded here. So I've got a few different things. Just go and select them all and drag them onto our desktop just so we can go and keep on top of them all. So now what we need to do is go and install Forge if you haven't already. So go and double click on it like so. If you find it doesn't go and open when you run it, then this is because it's likely you don't have Java. So go and open up your web browser and you want to go and type in the address bar java.com. Here you can then go and press download Java for desktops. Download and install it like any other application. Then you can return to Forge, right click on it, hover over open with, and you can press Java TM platform SE binary and it should then go and open up. If it still doesn't, you should try doing something called a jar fix. We've got a video on that and you can get it online. Now what you want to do is go and press install client and you want to then go and press OK, like so. Now that we successfully installed it, you want to press search at the bottom and you can go and open up the Minecraft launcher. Go to the top and you can press installations like so. Go down and you want to go and find Forge. Go and press the folder icon to the right to open up the installations. Scroll down and go and find your mods folder. This is alphabetical, so it should be easy to go and find. Here it is. Of course, make sure you don't have any other mods in here. So I'll delete these, won't go and work. So what you can then do is you want to go into here. If you don't have a mods folder, you can create one, by the way. And then what you need to do is go and drag in Optifine, Citadel, and Alex's mobs. Of course, the mods will be different for you, but they're mine. Then what we can do is close this and return to Minecraft. Hover over Forge and you want to go over to the right and you can go and press play like so. Now let's go and wait for this to go and run. You can press mods to go and check them here. And if you go and open up options and video settings, you'll see Optifine in the bottom left. So now let's come into a world. I'll create a new one. Here we are. You're going to go and see the animal directory for Alex's mobs. But now to go and get shaders, pause the game and press options, video settings. You'll see the settings look different as we're using Optifine and press shaders. Then press shaders folder. Now we're just going to make Minecraft smaller as we need to go and find the shaders and I can drag and drop the folder in like so. Then we can come back to Minecraft and here the pack is. Then what you can do is go and double click on it like so and they're going to go and load. And now if we go and unpause the game, we're now using shaders with Forge mods. It's that simple. If you found this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.